And now, a word from your children's pastors.
Hey there, Roar Kids. Tim here. And I'm kind of horsing around, I guess, maybe a little by the hat. But anyway, in all seriousness, Kathy and I are doing good. We've missed you guys. We're so looking forward to being back with you next Sunday. But in the meantime, we can't be there to referee you guys, especially some of you boys, you know. So don't be giving Bonita, Dale, Jill, and Brandon a hard time, because we may not be there. God's always watching us, of course. But on a serious note, we do love you guys. We are doing fine. God is faithful, and we're so looking forward to being with you next week. But in the meantime, let's worship God. Get into the lesson. Pay attention to Jill and Bonita, and just let God minister deeply to you. Whatever it is you need, God knows what the need is. Whatever you're struggling with, whatever fears you may have in your life, God is bigger than all that. So until next week, we love you guys. Stay close to God and go roar.